Good morning, kiddos. Today we are going to find the area of a triangle. If you remember the steps to solve finding the area of a triangle, first we need to write down the formula, which is area is 1/2 BH, or 1/2 base times height. So first you write down the formula, then you substitute what you know, and then you solve. So we have the example on the right. So first I'm going to write down the formula. Area is 1/2 base times height. So looking up at the example, we can get the numbers to substitute. So we can't substitute anything for 1/2, so we leave it. So 1/2 times, so I have the base is 14 and the height is 10. So you can always tell the height by the dotted line if there is one. So my area is going to be, what 1/2 of 14 is 7 times 10. Area is going to be 70 meters squared. Here are a few more examples that I'd like to do with you. So looking at the first triangle on the left, I'm going to start off with my formula. Area is 1/2 base times height. Now I got to substitute. Area is 1/2. I'm going to substitute 12 for base, and 4 is going to be my height, not 5. You got to be careful. Don't just take the number on the outside. It's going to be a dotted line like that because the height always has to form a 90-degree angle with the base. So area is going to be, or the base is 12 and the height is going to be 4. So area is 1/2 of 12 is 6 times 4. Area is 24 units squared. There's no label after, so we just use units. Middle example, again, start with a formula. Area is 1/2 base times height. Then we substitute. We need a number for B, so this is going to be my base, 6, and then my height is 3. So area is 1/2, oops, don't want to do that. Area is 1/2 of 6, which is 3 times 3. Area is 9 meters squared. And my last example, start off with a formula. Area is 1/2 base times height. Then we substitute. Area is 1/2. I have two choices here. So I have this number and this number. So one is going to be the base and one is going to be the height. They don't really matter because they form a 90-degree angle with each other. So when I do the 1/2, I'm going to take 1/2 of 4 because it's easier than 1/2 of 3. So area is 1/2 of 4, which is 2 times 3. Area is 6 centimeters squared. Hope that makes sense. Any questions, please let me know. Shoot me an email or use your questions in the questions for instructor in Schoology. Have a great day, everybody.